Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today, I am here with Donna, and today we are going to talk about learning new vocabulary.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Donna, do you like learning new words?
Yes, I do. I like learning new English words.
Me too.
New words help us speak better.
That is true.
They also help us understand more English.
How many new words do you learn every week?
Maybe 5 or 10 words.
That is very good.
Thank you.
Do you write the words down?
Yes, I have a notebook.
A vocabulary notebook.
Yes, exactly.
That sounds useful.
It really helps me remember words.
Where do you find new words?
I find them in books.
Nice.
I also find them in videos.
I learn many words from podcasts.
Podcasts are great for learning.
Do you use a dictionary?
Yes, every day.
English dictionaries are helpful.
I agree.
What is a new word you learned this week?
I learned the word borrow.
Nice word.
It means to take something and give it back later.
Can you give an example?
Yes, I borrow a book from my friend.
Great example.
What word did you learn?
I learned the word return.
That is a useful word.
Return means to give something back.
For example, I return the book to my friend.
Perfect.
Borrow and return are often together.
Yes, they are partner words.
I like learning words in pairs.
Me too.
Another pair is buy and sell.
Good example.
Buy means you get something with money.
Sell means you give something for money.
Exactly.
Do you learn words with pictures?
Yes, pictures help me a lot.
Me too.
Pictures make learning fun.
What pictures do you use?
I use pictures of food.
Food words are useful.
Yes, apple, bread, rice, and milk.
Those are common words.
Everyone uses them.
Do you learn action words too?
Yes, every week.
Like run and walk?
Yes, and jump and swim.
Those are verbs.
Yes, they are verbs.
Verbs show action.
That is a useful sentence.
Yes, many learners should remember it.
Nouns are also important.
A noun is a person, place, or thing.
For example, teacher, school, and pencil.
Great examples.
Thank you.
What is your favorite English word?
I like the word sunshine.
That is a beautiful word.
It sounds happy.
My favorite word is journey.
Nice choice.
Learning English is a journey.
Yes, step by step.
Do you review old words?
Yes, I review them every weekend.
Review is important.
Very important.
Why is review important?
Because we forget words.
That is true.
Review helps us remember.
How do you review?
I read my notebook again.
Simple and easy.
Yes, very simple.
Do you say the words aloud?
Yes, I practice speaking.
Speaking helps pronunciation.
Yes, it does.
Some words are difficult to say.
That is true.
Which word is difficult for you?
The word vegetable.
Many learners find it difficult.
I practice it many times.
Very good.
Practice makes progress.
I like that sentence.
Me too.
Do you use flashcards?
Yes, sometimes.
Are they helpful?
Yes, very helpful.
One side has the word.
The other side has the meaning.
That is smart.
It is also fun.
Do you learn words from songs?
Yes, I do.
Songs are interesting.
They help me remember words.
Music helps memory.
Exactly.
What kind of songs do you like?
Slow songs with clear words.
That is a good idea.
Fast songs are difficult for me.
Me too.
I listen many times.
Repetition is useful.
Yes, repetition helps learning.
Do you learn one word or many words together?
I learn small groups of words.
Like what?
Words about weather.
Such as
Sunny, rainy, windy, and cloudy.
very useful words.
We use them often.
Another group is family words.
Mother, father, brother, and sister.
Exactly.
Learning by topic is easy.
I agree.
What about work words?
Office, meeting, computer, and manager.
Nice examples.
Thank you.
What about travel words?
Airport, ticket, passport, and luggage.
Those are important words.
Especially for travelers.
Yes.
Do you make sentences with new words?
Yes, always.
Why?
Sentences help me understand the word.
Good answer.
For example, I carry my bag.
Nice sentence.
Another sentence is, she carries her books.
Very good.
The word changes a little.
Yes, because of grammar.
Grammar is important, too.
Let's talk about regular verbs.
Great idea.
Regular verbs add ed in the past,
Like walk and walked.
or play and played.
Easy examples.
Now let's talk about irregular verbs.
These verbs change differently.
Go becomes went.
Eat becomes ate.
See becomes saw.
These are common verbs.
Students should practice them.
Yes, every day.
Let's give another example.
Great idea.
Today I go to school.
Yesterday, I went to school.
Excellent.
Here is another one.
Today I eat breakfast.
Yesterday, I ate breakfast.
Very good.
Learning examples is helpful.
I agree.
Do you learn pronunciation too?
Yes, I listen carefully.
Listening is important.
Some words look the same but sound different,
English can be interesting.
and sometimes funny.
Very funny.
Do you use English apps?
Yes, every day.
Do they help?
Yes, they send me new words.
That is convenient.
I can study anywhere.
On the bus?
Yes.
At home?
Yes.
During lunch?
Yes, sometimes.
Small study times are useful.
I agree.
What about you, listeners?
How do you learn new vocabulary?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read your ideas.
Donna, what is your learning goal?
I want to learn 1,000 words.
Wow, that is a great goal.
Thank you.
My goal is to use new words every day.
Practice is important.
Yes, practice builds confidence.
Do you speak to yourself in English?
Yes, sometimes.
That is a good habit.
I say simple sentences.
Like what?
I am making coffee.
Nice.
I am opening the window.
Very useful practice.
It helps me remember words.
Me too.
Another good habit is reading.
I enjoy reading easy books.
Children's books are great.
They use simple words.
They also have pictures.
Pictures make understanding easier.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
It helps our channel grow.
Thank you for your support.
We really appreciate it.
Donna, can learning vocabulary be fun?
Yes, absolutely.
How?
Games can help.
Word games?
Yes, word games and quizzes.
That sounds fun.
Learning does not need to be boring.
I agree.
Friends can study together too.
Studying with friends is motivating.
You can help each other.
And practice together.
Exactly.
Before we finish, let's review.
Today we talked about vocabulary.
We talked about notebooks.
We talked about dictionaries.
We talked about flashcards.
We talked about songs and apps.
We also talked about grammar.
And pronunciation.
And practice.
And review.
What about you, listeners?
What is your favorite English word?
Please tell us in the comments.
We are excited to read your answers.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
Keep learning new words every day.
English becomes easier with practice.
One word at a time.
Thank you for joining us.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.